Cody, she runs. What's up, guys? Right now I'm heading to Evolutionary Performance so I can see Cody's new car. He just barely bought a new car and he's gonna be showing me the build. And I think we're like replacing his alternator or something like that. So it's gonna be sick. I'm pumped, but I'm not taking my car right now because I've actually been working on my radiator support. As you guys remember, the like stock radiator support right there that I had on the car, I kind of did some dumb stuff. I thought it would be a good idea to see if I can make shorter intercooler piping, and I ended up cutting my radiator support. It's kind of hard to see, but I cut up like a big chunk out of it, and then I put my like intercooler pipes, I put like one right there and one right there, like right over the radiator, and it did work. Like it made a boost pretty quickly, you know, but I didn't notice like a significant difference. So I ended up just deciding to scrap the whole idea, and I really care about having like a clean engine bay, and I wanted my engine bay to be like spotless and just look incredible. So I decided I was just gonna make my own radiator support where it would be all simple and there wouldn't be like a big shroud around it. It's going pretty well, but I kind of decided that that might be a little bit, the radiator where it's at, it might be a little bit close to my intake manifold, but don't worry guys. I'll get it figured out either way and it'll look really good. I promise. I won't make something bunk. I won't make a bad radiator support this time. It'll be sturdy and it'll look good and it'll be correctly made. But I'll show you guys my whole process once it's done. I just wanted to update you guys why I'm not driving my car. But let's head to Evolutionary Performance and check out Cody's build.
Get out here.
What else have you done before I got here?
Nothing.
Nothing? This is it?
This is
nice.
it. This is the first bolt I've turned on it.
Hey, already working on it.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Hang on. Well, you could undo these stand bolts if you want. They're 13s.
All right. Let's do that. Yo, what's up? Let me run over and see what you're working on. What you been up to, Artem?
Not much, building a motor.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, go check it out.
Yeah, let's see this. Are you building it all tonight?
Yes and no.
Dude, that looks clean. Sleeved?
Sleeved and ready to be assembled.
Dang, what sleeves are those?
They are wet sleeve starts.
That's sick. And what build is this for you guys?
It's gonna be an EP 700.
Nice. This is gonna be sick. Yeah, dude, I'm definitely gonna be filming. Is you going? You already have the crank in?
Yep, cranks in, and if you want, let's see. By Wednesday, I'll be building another one.
Oh, definitely. Maybe I could just film that whole process then. That would be sick.
That way we could go through everything. Go from there.
Yeah, Wednesday, guys. Wednesday, we're building a motor. To something.
We're doing.
Yep. All right, let me try to loosen a bolt or something.
All right. Yeah, we can get out with that.
Are you using the 13 right now?
Yeah.
These ones, yeah.
Yeah. There's 4 of them. And if everything's broke loose, it should come out pretty easily. Do Volkswagen stuff.
Yeah, we are. Dude, maybe Volkswagen's the best. I'll give you guys a review after this. What we think after we've been working on it.
After we figure about the new Volkswagen
Yeah.
extravaganza, dude. You gotta undo that thing.
I'm getting to work here.
I'm getting
Fair enough. New alternator, old one. We finally got all this shit out. Hey, there we go.
Yeah.
Then we got to get this fan on.
Battery's dead. Dead.
Dead, dead.
We put it on the charger.
Okay.
I'm not quite sure how we shut that door. Go get like a roll the window. I feel like you're gonna have to slightly crack the window.
Just shut it? Does it just shut hard?
Yeah. Alright.
Is that enough? We're driving the bug. Let's go.
I don't know how to turn the lights on or if it's gonna die when we turn them on, so.
Fuck it. We're mobbing the parking lot. Ooh, look at all those dead speeds. Probably actually mostly alive, but.
Yeah!
Here she drives. We just got the
go.
alternator in. That's all she needed.
Look at it, it goes like a champion.
Hey, this thing's a beast.
Yeah, now
The
we just figure out
buggy
how to
build.
seat lean back more, that'd be great.
Get that gangster lean. The buggy. Ah. Shut the door. Yo, she runs. Let's go. Look at that interior. Stick shift, steering wheel, seats. It's got everything.
That's everything you need to drive it.
I'm pretty sure Cody said he has a new steering wheel coming for it.
I do.
And he's already got the lowering components to slam it. That wheel gap's gonna be gone. All right, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I just want to thank you guys so much. Tomorrow, I'm going to be hopefully finishing my radiator and going to do some pulls in my car. So stick around for that. And then on Wednesday or Thursday, the following day, I'll be uploading the motor build with Artem. Hopefully we'll be able to film an entire build so you guys can see exactly how to build a motor, as well as I'll be dropping off my motor at the machine shop. So that way we can get that built and start making some real power in my car. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.